Hello guys, in this video I will show you this how to fix this error message which is coming if you type Python in your terminal. If this error message is coming that Python was not found, run without arguments to install. So if you can't access Python from your terminal, then I will show you how to fix that error in this video. So for this you do need to install Python. So just go to Python website and download the latest version of Python right here from this website, which is 3.13.2. So by default it will add the Python into your path, but for some reason if you have removed the Python installation from the path, that's why you can't access Python from the terminal. So I will show you the manual method. So just go to the C drive after you install Python. By default it's stored inside your users folder, this folder, and whatever is your username, mine is asus right here. Just go to your username, and then there is a folder called as app data. So this is actually the folder right here. By default it's hidden, app data. Go to this folder, and then we have the folder called as local. Go to this folder and just search for programs folder right here. So this is your folder right here, and inside this you will actually see Python folder. So just search for the Python folder. You will see that all your Python installations will be stored right here. So this is your Python folder. Just open it, and if you have multiple installations of Python, you will see I have multiple ones, which is Python 3.9 and Python 3.1.2. so whatever Python version you want to use, simply open that, and then you need to simply copy this path here. So right click, copy, and then open your environment variable, and just go to environment variable and just go to the system variable and just add this entry, the full path here. If you see that C users, and same we do need to do this for the script section as well. So just go to the scripts folder, and whatever is this path as well, right click, copy, and again do the same process. Add this to the system path variable. So just add this, just click OK, and just restart your terminal and type the same command here, Python, and now you will see that the Python, you can access Python from your terminal. So Python 3.1.2.4. so in this easy way, just follow the step-by-step process that I showed you in this video. Just add the installation of Python inside your path, system path, and now you can access the Python terminal right here to execute Python from that command line. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.